Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. And in today's recap, we have a lot of juicy information for you yet again. Markets are kind of all over the place, very, very unpredictable and very, very hard to trade if you don't know what you're looking for. But you know me, Will Trades, we made $2,300 on the day. And again, $5,000 already in a 3-day span. There is the proof right there for you somewhere on the screen. So I'm going to go ahead, break down kind of what the charts did today, kind of break down what I was looking for, and to show you that maybe sometimes it isn't always the best day to trade. Sometimes it's always not the best time to even take trades. Maybe we have to sit on our hands and wait for the next day. So let's get all that situated and break it down. So this is the market as of right now, right? Very, very not crazy movement. Had a little bit of a completely chop to the upside, and then now we're kind of just selling off now. Now, there's a few things to look out for and a few things I want to make you guys aware of. Well, at 8:45, we had PMI news, red folder news come out. What does that mean? It means that when there's high impact news, we usually just want to sit on our hands and not do anything. So from 8:30 market open till around what is this, about 9:30, so about an hour, we completely just traded sideways. No real big volume, really no good trade to be made. We just sat on our hands. And then I was like, you know what, if we can get above here, we can get a very, very quick scalp. Very quick scalp. Again, you guys know I'm scalpers. I get in, I get out, I make my money, and I walk away. I cannot tell you guys that enough. So again, I was like, if we can break this first level, I'll be looking to go in half size. My half size is one NQ contract, and then full size will be another NQ contract. Now, I only went in one size this whole time, entered right here, and exited right at this top wick right here. So again, a very, 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 let me remove this so I don't confuse you guys. Very, very quick scalp, nothing crazy, nothing insane, but I still capture the move. So I only look for stuff that makes sense to me. Even though this wasn't the A+ setup that we're all looking for, the trade made sense to me. I made the money and I walked away. Now, again, I lost my account after that, and then obviously sold off. Yes, I missed this move because, again, I lock my account. I only take 1 or 2 trades a day and I walk away. Again, if this completely falls all the way back down, I will miss it. And that's the biggest thing that I can't tell you guys enough is when you guys get into trading, it's not about sitting in front of your charts all the time and trying to make 15, 20, 30 trades a day, trying to make the most amount of money possible. That's not trading. Trading is identifying your setup, executing when you see it, and walking away after you make money, or even if you lose money. Trading 1 or 2 times a day, and then considerably repetition and discipline. It's all trading is repetition, risk management, and discipline. If you have a strategy, you have risk management, and you have discipline, which pretty much means consistency, you're one step closer to becoming profitable as a trader. Okay, but a few things I kind of want to point out to you as well is on a bigger time frame, we can see that we have a huge gap to the upside that actually formed last night. Gaps usually 95, 97% of the time always have to be filled. So I am definitely going to be looking for this area, looking for a potential play to take this really, really nice short to the downside. That's going to be a really nice short. It might happen tomorrow, might happen the next day, but definitely keeping an eye out on that. Now you guys can see we actually had a gap over here that actually never filled, and it actually filled today. Right, we filled that gap, hit that main level resistance, which is right here, and now we're falling all the way back down. So again, very, very easy to identify and easy to understand, but the actual trading day wasn't the best, which you guys can see right here, okay? Which made me walk away and be happy. I only trade from 8:30 Central Time to 10:30 Central Time. I make my money, I make my trades, and I walk away. So if you guys want to be able to live trade with me, watch my entries completely 5 days absolutely for free, learn my strategy, and be part of my trading community, it'll be down below. Anyways, I'll see every single one of you guys in the next one. There's my breakdown of today's trading session, and we're going to get it yet again tomorrow.